Would you like to learn one of the greatest financial secrets of our time? One that you can use to eliminate 60 to 80% of the interest charges on all of your credit card debt and take charge of your financial future? If you're like most Americans, your credit card debt keeps piling up. You're seeing higher and higher balances driven by high interest rates, which never allow you to get ahead. Are you tired of losing money to credit card companies every month? You're not alone. In these challenging economic times, none of us can afford to needlessly waste our money, practically giving it away unnecessarily to pay these huge interest charges. Fortunately, there's a proven secret that allows you to pay off your credit card 5 times faster, eliminating 60 to 80% of the interest charges on your credit cards and saving you thousands of dollars in interest you just don't have to pay. So what's the secret? The Interest Minimizer Biweekly Credit Card Payment Program. We're Nationwide Biweekly Administration, one of the nation's largest and most recognized administrators for weekly and biweekly programs. Through the Interest Minimizer, we're helping hundreds of thousands of Americans save billions of dollars. We can do the same for you. Here's how it works. With the Interest Minimizer program, you'll see an automatic withdrawal from your checking or savings account every other Friday. These withdrawals will be for half of your monthly payment. Your biweekly payments are then directed towards your credit card balance every 2 weeks to ensure maximum interest savings, resulting in much lower interest charges and a greatly reduced time to pay off your credit card debt. Let's take a look at a typical example of a $5,000 credit card balance at 18%. Now, the minimum monthly payment is always based upon a percent of your balance, usually 1 to 3%. The lower the percent, the longer it will take to pay it off. In this example, we'll use 3%, which equals $150. If you pay the minimum payment each month allowed by your credit card company, it will take you 18.8 years to pay off your debt. With the Interest Minimizer Biweekly Payment Program, we take the same $150 minimum monthly payment, cut it in half to make it $75 biweekly, and then process the payment every 2 weeks, which means you would pay off the credit card in just 3.5 years. That's over 5 times faster. But the best part is that you save thousands of dollars in unnecessary interest charges. That's right. You can eliminate 60 to 80% of all your interest charges on your credit cards by simply enrolling in our bi-weekly credit card payment program. Imagine being able to pay off a $5,000 debt 5 times faster while pocketing all of the interest payment savings. This is money you get to keep for you and your family. Just the incredible interest savings alone are enough for most people to enroll in the Interest Minimizer. But here are 5 more great reasons to enroll. First, there's no balance transfer. Second, there is no increase in your minimum monthly payment. Third, it's easy to budget and automatic. Fourth, Interest Minimizer guarantees your payments arrive on time. And number 5, Nationwide Biweekly Administration's Interest Minimizer is the only program that makes payments bi-weekly to your credit card. We are the only true bi-weekly payment program on the market today. Now you might be thinking, why can't someone just pay extra each month on their own? But consider this. NBA did a survey of over 100 customers who had canceled the bi-weekly program, stating that they were going to pay extra on their own each month. The results were irrefutable. 81% of the people failed in the first year alone and were not making any extra payments on their own. After 3 years, 99% of all people who tried to do it on their own failed. Based on an average $200,000 30-year fixed-rate loan, the average person lost $55,492 in interest savings and 6.4 years in lost payment savings when they canceled the biweekly program. That's a lot of money and time. This is great evidence of the real value of the biweekly Interest Minimizer program. Interest Minimizer doesn't just work on credit card debt. You can also reduce your interest charges on your mortgage, home equity loans, car loans, student loans, second homes, and more. You can enroll 1, 2, 3, as many interest-bearing accounts as you want. It's your choice. Nationwide Biweekly Administration is proud to be one of the nation's largest and most trusted biweekly program administrators. Our industry-leading program, the Interest Minimizer, processes billions of dollars in payments for hundreds of thousands of customers to over 5,000 financial institutions across the country. And to give our clients extra peace of mind, we commissioned an audit that was conducted in accordance with the attestation standards established by the American Institute of Certified Public Accountants by a CPA firm accredited by the Association of Certified Fraud Examiners. NBA is the only biweekly administrator to undergo this voluntary audit in order to demonstrate that we operate with integrity in 4 important areas, which are accurate savings estimates, funds are protected by FDIC-insured banks, funds are remitted to lenders on time, our programs operate as indicated in contracts. We took the extra measure of the verified professional audit to give you and your customers both the confidence and the assurance that our biweekly interest savings programs perform as promised. No other biweekly administrator backs up their offerings like nationwide biweekly administration. Stop paying unnecessary interest charges and start building wealth for your family today. Call us at the number on your screen. Through the Interest Minimizer program, our mission is to help millions save billions.